Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session after rising as much as 1.7% during the session. The RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.0% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Indian refiners' crude oil throughput in September edged higher from the previous month as refineries boosted output to meet surging demand. Britain's economy unexpectedly regained momentum in October and cost pressures rose by the most in more than 25 years. The pound sterling weakened after reports that the European Union could terminate the post-Brexit trade deal if the UK's disagreement on the Northern Ireland border deepens.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 14:30 GMT. Germany's IFO Business Climate at 0800 GMT. Germany's IFO Current Assessment will be released at 0800 GMT. Japan's Coincident Index at 0500 GMT. Japan's Leading Economic Index at 0500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.